Param Shant. Friends, the third chakra is about willpower. We now sing a song which will empower us, which will tell us that we have to keep on walking and walking all the time. Never say never again. Okay, come again. Never say never again. Fantastic.
Is it known by any other name?
Are we powerful?
Yes.
Are we strong?
Yes.
Everything is possible?
Yes.
चल अकेला चल अकेला चल अकेला तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही चल अकेला चल अकेला चल अकेला चल अकेला तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही चल अकेला। ताल में आइए पहले। Work all the time till your last day of life. Last day of life. Work. हजारों मील लंबे रास्ते तुझको बुलाते आ यहाँ दुखड़े सहने के वास्ते तुझको बुलाते है कौन सा वो इंसान यहाँ पर जिसने दुख ना झेला। चल अकेला चल चल अकेला तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही चल अकेला चल अकेला चल अकेला चल अकेला ओ तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही चल अकेला। Prashant, can you read loudly for us?
I will not say I failed 1,000 times. I will say that I discovered there are 1,000 ways that can cause failure.
Prashant, can you discuss about this, about your life and how, in short, if you can inspire people? Is it true?
Absolutely.
Something from you.
Well, I can say that whatever I have lived my life, it's been something of a lot of failures, a lot of things I've tried in life, and eventually I feel that I have achieved a lot in spite of those failures. The business that I've started, it was an inspiration because the place I was working with had a lot of politics going on, and I thought that this is not the place for me to be. So I looked out for opportunities, and today I'm standing in front of you with a successful business running for the last 3 years. So these are things which everybody has to. At the age of 50, I have started my life all over again. There was a time when I used to earn a lot of money. Today, because of the business, I'm not earning as much as I was earning earlier. I have to struggle every day to make two ends meet. But I'm extremely contented and happy.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you. And I hope other patrons also share their stories with me.
See, there is a saying.
Please stand up, gentlemen. Favor the camera.
There is a small saying, it captures everything that he has said and what Dr. Joshi needs to say. Either I win or I learn.
वाह,
I don't fail, that is.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Please go to Gateway of India and please take a nice little catamaran or a boat to go to Alibag. And these guys keep on following you all through. You give them some biscuits, crumbs, they come behind, they grab it. They get tired after some time. They sit and sway themselves and float on the water. But suddenly, before you realize, they'll again come back and follow you. Friends, so much they work, so much. We learn from them. For them also everyday struggle. For them also every day they have to work to make their ends meet. I think this should be the psychology of everybody. We should be.
They don't have any PPF or pension.
Absolutely. And let's not get in that PPF mode at all. Let's just work hard. Every day is a new day. We are starting from zero. This is what the third chakra tells us, friends. And if the third chakra is upset, these irritable bowel syndromes start. All these problems which are in relation to the GI tract, पेट बराबर ना होना, acidity होना, कब्ज होना, all these things are to do with the digestive system. And friends, if your mind is strong, most of the times these things don't affect you. And let us now be happy and determined. Let us now say together, I am strong, and overcome all the hurdles. I'll always aim high and achieve success. Yes, I have the power. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me. Let's not have egos in life, friends. The third chakra also tells you that no ego, friends. No ego. Only work, work and work. The fourth chakra is the Anahat chakra. Let us stimulate it by holding this way. And hold it in front of your chest here, in the heart region. This famous story of Mahavirji. Mahavirji was walking from this forest. His disciples told him that don't walk from this forest route because it is full of snakes. And there is one rather dangerous snake who stops you, robs you, bites you and even kills you. There is another road which you go behind Excelsior and you can reach your destination. यहाँ से मत जाओ भाई. Even the health library people can't help you. You have to go from a big turn. But Mahavir ji said, मुझे बहुत जल्द जाना है, वहाँ काम है, प्रवचन है, लोगों को मिलना है, लोगों को ठीक करना है. And Mahavir ji goes on the same road and comes Chand Kaushik and says, you can't go. Stop. Who are you? And before Mahavir ji could realize, he started biting Mahavir ji continuously. At that time, Mahavir ji just went in a stage of meditation and probably wasn't realizing what was happening. Seeing that this gentleman is not reacting to his bites and to his power, he started biting more. And he was surprised that instead of blood, what came out was milk. Mahavir ji was in perfect harmony and he was meditating. After some time, after failed efforts, Chand Kaushik actually became very tired. Mahavir ji then opened his eyes and looked at Chand Kaushik with lot of love, with immense passion and compassion, and said that why are you doing that? Why can't you be good? If you give love to people, people will give you much more than what you are getting now. Don't bite. Please love people. And that was a transforming point for Chand Kaushik. That was a transforming point. He transformed totally. He stopped biting people and he became a good snake. Friends, let us today forgive everyone. Okay, let us just forgive everybody. उसने ऐसा बोला, ऐसा किया, सासू ऐसी करती है, सासू कुछ हमेशा बोलती रहती है, सासू is this way. So let's now just forget things. Okay? मेरे भाई ने वो प्रॉपर्टी का लफड़ा था, उसने किया. बोलो प्रशांत, क्या forget करो बोलो.
I want to say one statement.
Please.
Which I read and it was very good. It says that having a grudge on someone is like letting him live rent free in your heart. So don't have a grudge against anyone. Don't let anybody live in your heart rent free.
So basically, by having a grudge, you are harming yourself more than harming him. So let's forgive and forget him. Yeah? Forgive and forget, or even not forget. If he comes, let's smile or make new friendship. प्यार दुश्मन से बढ़ा. Okay, तब है जीने का मजा. Don't fight, forget things. Even anger हो गया, that should be transient. बोल दिया हो गया. Finished. Are we all happy?
Yes.
Are we all creative?
Yes.
Are we all strong?
Yes.
And do you have tremendous love in your heart? Have you forgiven everyone? Have you forgiven people who have hurt you? Yes? Okay, so please call up all those people whom you think have hurt you and just connect bridges again. If people throw stones at you, it's up to you to decide whether you want to make a bridge or a wall. Right? Don't make walls, make bridges. Let's sing this beautiful song, friends, together. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of a candle will not shorten. Happiness never decreases by being shared, says the great Buddha.